Welcome everyone. This is Farida Yasmin, Assistant Teacher, Lions School and College, Soitpur. Learning outcome. The students are able to know the classification of degree, learn the structure of degrees, write the example of degrees. Now today's lesson, degrees of comparison. The degrees of comparison in English grammar are made with the adjective and adverb words to show how big or small, high or low, more or less, many or few, etc. of the qualities, numbers and positions of the nouns, persons, things and places. Now follow kinds of degrees of comparison. There are mainly three kinds of degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Here you find there are more degrees. Positive degree, there are two kinds of positive degree: degree of quality, degree of inequality. Now degree of equality, that means positive degree. Here you can see that two nouns or two persons having the same qualities. Okay, follow the adjective or adverb is in positive form, showing that two persons or things are the same qualities. The common conjunction used is as dash dash as here. Degree of equality, example 1, John is as strong as James. Here strong, adjective in positive form, showing quality. The two men are same qualities here. Follow. Degree of inequality, the adjective or adverb is in positive form, showing that two persons or things are not the same, two nouns not having the same quality. Example for you. See the picture first. Peter is not so fast as Paul. This is the example of inequality of degree. Next slide for you. Comparative degree. At first you have already known about the structure of comparative degree. Now see, two persons, things or places are being compared with one adjective or adverb to show that one has more quality or quantity of the adjective or adverb than the other. There you find the adjective or adverb takes are or er to its positive form and is said to be in comparative form. The conjunction then is used to connect the two clauses. Example. See the picture first. This is dog and this is horse. A horse can run faster than a dog. Can you see here? Degree of comparison. We find two kinds of degree of comparison of comparative degree: progressive degree, parallel degree. Just see about progressive degree. This is not necessary for you. Example of progressive degree. Now superlative degree. Comparing one noun, person, thing or place with several others of its kind to show that its particular noun has the highest degree of the quality or quantity of the adjective or adverb being used. Compare. Superlative degree means the highest quality of degree, highest quality of adjective. That means good, better, best. Best is here superlative form of a degree. The adjective or adverb takes the superlative form ending with st or est with the definite article the before it. The preposition of is used when the comparison is among items, and in is used to specify the place, position or area. Example of superlative degree. You find the elephant is the largest of all land animals. Here we find largest is superlative form of degree. The giraffe is the tallest of all animals. There you find two examples here. Next one, example 2. Susan is the most intelligent girl in the class. We add here, there are more worksheet for you. Just sort the worksheet. What is the suitable word that sit in the blank? Now find out the suitable word. Worksheet 2, see and solve it also at your home. Worksheet 3, four, 5, this will be solved by you. Worksheet 6, 7, 8, these are for your homeworks. Okay, now solve this worksheet. Evaluation. You can know more about degrees and sense the degree from positive, comparative and superlative. Okay, thank you everyone.